Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. Did you know that there are over 11 billion mobile devices on the planet? That's more than the entire population of the world. If you're not targeting users on mobile devices, you could be missing out on up to 80% of your visitors. By default, all OptinMonster campaigns appear on all devices, but with a Pro or higher subscription, you can easily customize campaigns to display only on mobile devices with our device-based targeting rules. And with the Pro or higher subscription, you gain access to a library of templates specifically designed for mobile devices. This lets you target smartphone users with campaigns that are proven to convert. But don't just take my word for it. Check out our case study on how White River increased mobile conversions by 150% with OptinMonster. Targeting and timing are everything with mobile campaigns. Unless you show offers to the right person at the right time, you won't get the results you want. OptinMonster solves that problem with a wide range of triggers that show your campaigns at just the right time. Our exit intent technology lets you engage with users who are about to leave your site. Our mobile exit intent trigger works in two ways: when users scroll up and when they hit the back button. Without a doubt, exit intent is the last chance you get to show visitors a targeted message just before they're gone forever. You can also use our Inactivity Sensor to detect when users have stopped interacting with your site, so you can trigger a campaign to recapture their attention. When you combine these triggers with our page level and geolocation targeting features, you've got an incredibly powerful tool for winning more conversions. And since OptinMonster values user experience over everything else, our mobile-friendly campaigns are fully compliant with Google's best practices for mobile lead generation. For example, check out our case study on how SaltStrong uses OptinMonster to boost conversions by 180% while also avoiding Google's Popup penalty. So, are you ready to win more conversions with targeted, well-timed mobile campaigns? Use the code in the description to receive a special discount and create your risk-free OptinMonster account today.